Level up your game with Turtle Beach Stealth 600. Tired of subpar audio ruining your gaming experience? Let's dive into the Turtle Beach Stealth 600, a headset designed to amplify your gameplay. The Stealth 600 boasts 50mm Nanoclear drivers delivering crisp, clear audio. Hear every footstep and explosion with precision. This headset is optimized for spatial audio on Xbox, PlayStation, and PC. This headset works across Xbox, PlayStation, PC, and mobile via Bluetooth. Enjoy seamless switching between devices with the quick switch button. Plus, the 80-hour battery life keeps you gaming for days. The AI noise-canceling mic ensures crystal clear communication. Background noise is a thing of the past. Memory foam cushions and glasses-friendly tech provide ultimate comfort during long sessions. Customize your audio with the Swarm 2 app. Adjust EQ settings, remap buttons, and fine-tune your sound. The Stealth 600 offers a personalized gaming experience. The Turtle Beach Stealth 600 offers great value for its price. It combines comfort, quality audio, and versatile features. Ready to upgrade your gaming setup? Check out the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 on Amazon today. Click the link to learn more and grab yours now. Don't miss out on this game-changing headset.